Hi, Chandra from Cosmic Bills. I'm going to demonstrate how we can use a email attachment. An email is created for every user and send your bills by using this email attachment. So you just paste the email here and look for the PDF. I'm going to choose one bill here and send. So the idea here is that we need to be able to um, send it to Xero directly without going to our screen, and let's wait for the email to come, which will tell us. So for the email notification to come in to say that other notification here. Now see, so this particular bill was already posted, so we get an email saying that this bill already exists. Let's go to our, so it has not been posted to Xero directly. Right, let's we can fix this if we want to post this again, and we will just go to our UI and it will sit in number 3 process. So this red indication says this bill has been duplicated and we cannot post, which is true. We should be posting a duplicated bill. However, for this demo purpose, we will just edit this particular bill, right, and change or change the invoice number and get this saved. Okay, so now it's no longer in red, and we will approve this to be posted to Xero Data file. So we'll just choose the last. I'm just going to untick this and post one of these here, which, or we can post, or those two have two different unique invoice numbers for same supply. It was done previously, and we'll send it as a draft. Okay, so it has been posted. So just let's go and look at that filter, that particular bill, and we have got at the bottom here. We can just open in Xero from here and log in. Let me just authenticate this. Right, so there it is. So that particular bill here, there are two bills there, they're all here now. Thank you. And that's how we use Cosmic Bills to use an email and send the bill directly. However, in this case, I have particularly uh, got this particular bill because it was duplicated to show how we can handle also a duplicate bill and edit and send it to Xero. Thank you.